Hello, this is House of Cardinals. Shout out to Urinating Tree for the idea. 313. The Cardinals were the worst team in the 2018-2019 NFL season, but they decided to fix some of their mistakes in the draft choices. Very good according to NFL CBS. Key additions include CB Robert Alford, Edge Terrell Suggs, ILB Jordan Hicks, OG J.R. Sweezy, DT Darius Phylon, T.E. Charles Clay, R.T. Miles Gilbert, and O.T. Desmond Harrison. Key rookies include QB Tyler Murray, CB Byron Murphy, WR Andy Isabella, WR Hakeem Butler, and Edge DL Zach Allen. Cardinal sins. This is a very competitive division, perhaps the most. Both the Rams and the Seahawks are projected to be good. 49ers will also be good if Jimmy G stays healthy. Three strong teams other than you could be a big problem. Better get the chronic taste of disgusting losses out of your beaks. Not easy with strong division rivals. The format of this will be Week 1, analysis, win or loss and why, possible off-the-field drama if it exists, and how the Cardinals could improve, or what they were doing right if they won. Of course, the preseason will also be in the weeks, and you'll have the results of the preseason and possible improvements and whether or not this matters. I think it'll be 2 and continuing on and on. Maybe the Cardinals might not be your favorite team. How about days of your New York Giants? They look like a car crash waiting to happen with a bad O-line, poor drafting talent, and poor drafting choices. Jones at 6, when he could have chosen at 17. Better fix that fast. Giants coaching staff and owner aren't even known for their competence. Giants led by donkeys? No, this isn't political. Days of our Miami Dolphins. Dolphins are also a team that doesn't feel like it's going to go too well. Dolphins might be tanking the entire 2019-2020 season. Bring out the tanks. It's time for Tank Bowl. Possible TBS. Dolphins at Giants. Dolphins at Jets. Bungles at Dolphins. Sorry, Cincinnati Bengals. And Bills at Dolphins. That's going to be wrapped up very soon. Comment section to see what you like. Remember to like and subscribe.